Namo Narayan, Namaskar, good morning to all my people, those who are listening us. I congratulate all my Samvidyans and my parent assets, with the cooperation of whom Samvid has been doing great in all the verticals. Let it be special days, let it be academics, let it be skills, and let it be life. This is what we will be going to explore today. I heartily congratulate Global Shapers team today, those who are collaborating with us, with our Samvidyans, to bring more awareness among our little kiddos, among our youth, so that they understand how important the environment is. याद करते हैं वो दिन जब बिस्लरी की बॉटल्स शुरू हुई थी. इट्स अबाउट वाटर बॉटल्स. पानी बिकने लगा तो स्टेटस सिंबल लगा था, मजाक लगा. आज हवा बिकने लगी है, ऑक्सीजन खरीद रहे हैं, नहीं खरीद पा रहे हैं तो जान गंवा रहे हैं. लेकिन क्या आज भी हम उन वृक्षों के बारे में सोच रहे हैं? अगर यज्ञ की बात करें, वृक्षारोपण की बात करें, आप सोचिए, श्रीमद् भागवत में श्री कृष्ण ने भी बोला यज्ञ करने से हमें ऐसी परम गति की प्राप्ति होती है. अगर आप विज्ञान की बात करें, इफ यू टॉक ऑफ साइंस, then too the science proves, the researchers with NDR and so many more organizations, they prove that when we plant trees, the area that has more and more trees, in that very area more than 95% of the harmful germs are not found. We need to introspect, आत्मचिंतन करने की जरूरत है. ये सब हम सुनते आ रहे हैं, ये सब हम समझते आ रहे हैं, ये सब हम पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, ये सब हम सीखते आ रहे हैं, ये सब हम लर्न करते आ रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या इसको हम इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं? But yes, our Samvidyans are doing it. So today, on the special occasion of World Environment Day, on this 5th June, and if I talk of theme of the day of 2021, it is rethink, reimagine, recreate. So on the same day, we are implementing what our Samvidyans are learning. So we will be planting 100 fruits trees in collaboration with Global Shapers team. I am thankful to Pavani, who's here with her team, to help our children to know practically about nature, to help our children to know more about what is the importance of trees, so that these children who will be our coming generation will be fully aware. This comes to good, developed, green India. Namaskar. Discussed importance of trees, as we discussed the importance of plantation, as we discussed the need of the hour, as we had the awareness for our Samvidyans, so that they know how to have a green India, so that they know what not to do and what to do, which we already discussed. Let me thank the cause of the day today, that has been the team of Global Shapers. I have with me Pavni ji, Anushka, Adya, Shruti, Aarti and Radhika. So I really thank the complete team of Global Shapers today, who are awareing youth, and the foremost important, the beautiful aspect in this is the youth awareing youth. So I'm really happy, and this way, if the chain of youth increases with more and more pearls, it will be a beautiful garland for our country. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Be aware, plant trees, recreate, rethink, reimagine on this World Environment Day, and do pledge everybody to at least plant a single plant in your neighborhood or at your home with your parents. Do share with us on Samvid school page and on Global Shapers Matra school page. We will be encouraging. It's not about a picture or about your post, but it's about when you share, you encourage everybody. Let one encourage 10 into, and just on this day, I request all my Samvidyans who have been watching us from the school page should plant at least one tree at their home, in their neighborhood, along with their parents. सभी बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ एटलीस्ट एक प्लांट आज ज़रूर प्लांट करेंगे, एंड देन यू विल बी शेयरिंग अस योर फोटोग्राफ एंड यू विल बी टेलिंग अबाउट द ट्री, विच ट्री आर यू प्लांटिंग. गॉड ब्लेस यू. उससे आगे और फिर ऐसे ही एक पूरी माला पिरोई जाती है और सुंदर ग्रीन इंडिया का इस देह पथ पर आज हम बढ़ते चले इस देह पथ पर आज हम संकटों से हम न डरते, क्यों डरे आंधी से हम. ओ भले
देह पथ पर आज हम बढ़ते चले बढ़ते
धीरे धीरे
Can I also join you?